Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Okay, 9 of Swords and 5 of Swords. All right. So Taurus, this is your current energy, 9 of Swords. It seems like you are being sad about something. You did something and you didn't get the output from that particular project, and perhaps you feel that you have given your best in this relationship. You have given your best to your person, but they are someone who is not appreciating your efforts. They are someone who is not appreciating your inputs in this relationship. Or perhaps you feel that your person is trying to leave you. Something is there which is threatening you, something is there which is haunting you, something is there which is not letting you sleep peacefully. Okay, so you have lost your peace of mind, you have lost your happiness, you are anxious, you are sad, you are worried. All right. On the other hand, we have 5 of Swords. Taurus, this is your partner's current energy. So it seems like your person is really happy and they are enjoying their victory. It seems like you guys had a big fight, and it's you who has given up on them. It could happen that you guys had a very bad fight in past, and now you are being sad and you are being anxious about your fight. Or perhaps your person must be thinking that, okay, I have won this fight, now it's me who is going to dominate this relationship or this love. Okay, so it's your person who is feeling pride, who is feeling like a warrior, who is feeling like a victorious person. They feel that they have won or they have conquered some kind of a war or some kind of a fight. On the other hand, you are behaving exactly opposite in the same. Okay, you are sad, they are happy. You are feeling loser, they are feeling as a winner, as a warrior. You are anxious and sad, they are happy and confident. Now let's see, Taurus, what is the current mutual energy between you and your person? What is the current mutual energy between Taurus and Control? See, that's what I told you. That's what I told you, Taurus, that your person, that you are sad and you are anxious because you feel that your person is going to take over this relationship, or your person will dominate this relationship. What I am seeing right now with this card is that your person is trying to control you. Okay, they are controlling you. Okay, you are not free to express your emotions, you are not free to express your thoughts, you are not free to convey or confront your things in front of your person. It's your person who is dominating you. They want you to act according to their wishes. All right, now let's see, Taurus, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in coming time. Breakthrough, aloneness, sorrow. Okay, Taurus, your person sees you as, with this card I feel that your person sees you that no matter how bad situations you face in life, okay, no matter how demotivated you feel, or no matter how things are killing you from inside out, but you are someone who never shows your fear or your anxiety or your sad behavior to anybody else. So that's how your person, this is the reason, this is the fight of control. This is the fight of control. Even though you are sad, you are anxious, but your person feels that you are someone who has lot of potential, or you are somebody who don't get affected by such incident or certain incidents in life. So for them, you are someone who is happy, who is confident, who is powerful, but currently you are not feeling in the same manner. Okay, the current action what your person is taking towards you is aloneness. It seems like they have pushed you towards darkness. They have pushed you towards darkness, and this is the reason you were feeling depressed, or you are feeling depressed and sad. So you are at this point of time, I feel that it's you who is looking or searching for the answers. This is what your person has done with you, Taurus. They have left you in dark, they have left you in cold. The third card is saying sorrow. I think that eventually they have to pay for their karmas, and future is bringing sorrow for them, and they'll be feel alone, they will feel negative, they will feel that nobody is there to help them, and yes, and this is the reason they won't be able to take any actions towards you in future. Okay, so Taurus, it seems like some of you could be dealing with, we have only air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so it seems like you are dealing with air sign. Okay, alright, so Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.